Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to episode 3 of the Keto Cut. We're gonna be doing a full day of eating. And before we get into the food, guys, I just have to tell you this. I know it's a little bit annoying, but I don't care. I have to tell you. If you watch this right now, you know what that means. That means that you woke up sore, so that means that you are winning. So your stress, our problems can't faze you, can't faze me, because you and I are already winning. Bam, wham, bam, thank you, man. Also, if you are new to the channel and you're like, what the hell is this Keto Cut and who the hell is this Goody Beats guy? Well, I am a proud father, a proud husband, and I've lost a total of 70 pounds utilizing the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting. I have now dedicated my life to help you, yes, you, never forget that it is never too late to become what you might have been. Whew. Okay, let's go out the first meal. All right, who wants to be on today's YouTube channel?
I do.
Okay, what's your name, ma'am?
Logan Page.
Logan Page. Oh my gosh, you are so beautiful. I love your shirt. What's on your shirt?
LOL doll.
LOL dolls. I'm so sick of LOL. I don't like LOL because every time we go to the store, you want an LOL doll and they're not cheap. I know you know. And you, ma'am? What is your name?
Mina.
Oh, your name's Mina. What's your last name? No, not what's on your shirt. I said, what's your last name?
Mina.
Your name's Camila Delgado. You say it.
Mina Delgado.
Okay, all right. Off my computer. Off. Come on, girls. Let's go eat. Come on.
Take two.
Okay, come on. Okay guys, so first meal of the day calls for a protein shake. That is how we start it. So we're gonna have a scoop and a half of SynFit protein. This is my favorite. This is the cinnamon roll. Absolutely love it. And then this is the peanut butter that I use. It's Richard's creamy peanut butter. Everyone always asks me what peanut butter I get because you need to get the creamy one. Don't get the like hard one that turns into a rock. You shouldn't have to warm up your peanut butter, okay? People warm up their peanut butter and then it looks like rocks. Don't do that. Also, now this is one option because typically I have this with my coffee, which is 15 grams of MCT oil. But I'm not gonna have a coffee this morning because I am running late and I already have to leave after this protein shake. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh, you want to? Oh no, what is that?
It's a booger.
Oh my, it's a booger. Dude, wipe that off. That's gross. Maybe I'll cut that out. So 15 grams of MCT powder going in. I'm just gonna mix it up into my protein shake. All right, and there you go. That is meal number 1 for the day. Cheers. What's up everybody? I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsors of this video, and the sponsors are Built Bar. You know how much I love Built Bar, so currently I just got done doing cardio, and so it's time to eat, and you know I gotta go with my peanut butter brownie. Are you kidding me? Peanut butter brownie. Now, you guys know what I love about Built Bars. They are guilt-free, gluten-free, high in protein, and low in calories. The taste, the texture are always on point, and you know you're always gonna have a good experience when you bite into a Built Bar. So I'm about to open this up and show you how it looks. Oh my gosh. Now, for those of you who are wondering, why am I eating this outside my house? Because once I go inside and my little girls see that I'm eating a Built Bar, they're gonna want some, and they can't have daddy's protein. So Built Bar is all for me going in. Oh my gosh. The one thing that I absolutely love about Built Bars is that they have over 18 different flavors to choose from. So you're bound to find one that you absolutely love, and they're constantly always coming out with new flavors. And like I said earlier, the taste, the texture, the consistency is always gonna be the same, which is awesome and amazing. So I highly recommend you pick up a Built Bar. You can use my discount code, boom, right there, Logan15, or you can go to the link in the description below, and I'm gonna give you a pro tip about this right here. So put this bad boy in the microwave for 10 seconds and you literally have yourself a melted fudge peanut butter brownie dessert. Like, it's so good. Everything tastes so good when you melt it. Anyways, thank you Built Bar for always hooking your boy up, and thank you for sponsoring this video. All right, so on to meal number 2. Meal number 2 is a pretty simple and basic meal. You've probably seen it before. It is 3 whole eggs, 3 egg whites with 10 grams of coconut oil. And then I always throw some SynFit pancake syrup just to give it a little sweetness. It's what you really would call Frenchy eggs. Also, there is cinnamon in here as well. And I'm gonna try this Zevia creamy root beer. I believe this is new. At least that's what Elena said. So when I went into the cafe to pick up my food, Elena was like, yo, you gotta try this. So this is their creamy root beer. made by Zevia. So let me try it out. Let's try it out. Oh, look at that foam. Let's go. Wow. Dude, this tastes just like the AMW, or what is it? I think it's like AMW. I don't know what it's called. You know what I mean. That is freaking delicious. Okay, so those of you who are wondering how the root beer Zevia tasted, they taste amazing. 2 thumbs up, 10 out of 10. That was phenomenal. If you do love root beer. Now, if you don't like root beer, then you probably won't like it, but that would just make you a weirdo. Don't be a weirdo. Okay, going in, first bite. Macros as always. Woo! All right. Okay, everybody, so fast forward a couple of hours, just picked up this big box right here. It is the bench for our breakfast table, so this was back ordered, so I had to come up to San Antonio to pick this up. As you can see, it's raining, I'm wet, but it's all good. I parked at this Wendy's right here because I'm gonna eat meal number 3, and you know what meal number 3 is. Meal number 3 is 140 grams of white rice with 6 ounces of chicken with some sweet poppy and some sriracha maple vinaigrette. Not sure you can see this, but I will tell you this. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm not gonna lie. This is by far my favorite meal ever. Not just on this meal plan, but ever. When I ended the keto cut last year and I kind of went into my bulking phase, or whatever you want to call it, after my competition in November, I had been eating this contest prep, is what this bowl is called, a contest prep bowl from Gaines Bakery. I've been eating it every single day, and on the weekends, I'll even come up on the weekends just so I can get it because I love it that much. And I know a lot of you saying like, bro, why don't you just learn how to make that at home? Hey, I didn't ask for your opinion, okay? So that is my favorite meal, but I also saw a lot of comments in my last video asking like, yo, what's up with this rice? I thought this is called the keto cut. Why are you eating rice on the keto cut? So for those of you who don't know, I am doing TKD, which is called Targeted Ketogenic Diet. What essentially it is I'm having carbs before my workout. But if you follow me on Instagram, I'm always posting my ketones. I'm still in ketosis. What you have to understand is just because I'm eating white rice doesn't mean it's a lot of carbs. This right here is only 30 grams of carbs, and it's my pre-workout meal, meaning I'm about to go work out in about 2 hours. I'm gonna burn up through that 30 grams of carbs. That is nothing. Now, if I was doing a high carb diet, my carbs for the day would most likely, I don't know, probably be around 300 grams per day, if not higher. I've seen guys like at 500, which is, hey, if you can do 500 and still get shredded, that's awesome. But for me personally, I don't need that much. I just need a little boost for my workout. And then after my post-workout, I have the same exact meal. That's to take advantage of muscle growth, recovery, and to spike that protein synthesis, which I just activated during that workout. So that is the game plan around this 2021 keto cut. So I hope that answered your question. For a lot of you who are probably wondering like, what the heck? This is called the keto cut and he's eating rice. There are many ways to do the ketogenic diet. You can do it strict, which is 75% fat, 20% protein, and 5% carbs, meaning that is what we call a strict ketogenic diet. No more than 30 grams of carbs per day usually is what it comes out to. Or you can do TKD, which is the way I'm doing, which is pretty strict keto, except pre and post workout I have carbs. Or number 3 way that you can do the ketogenic diet is cyclical keto. Now, what cyclical keto is, essentially you have a refeed day, not a cheat day. So many people get confused with what a cheat day is and a refeed day is. They are completely different. They are not the same thing. So a refeed day, my carbs would be somewhere around 200, maybe even 300, and my fat would be super low and my protein moderate. So it's almost flipping it upside down, right? So a strict ketogenic diet is a high fat and the carbs are the lowest. Well, when you do a refeed day, you totally flip that upside down. Your carbs are gonna be your highest macronutrient and your fat's gonna be the absolute lowest. And you only do that for 1 day, and that kind of gives your body a reset. It resets your glycogen storages, and then you go from there. Again, there are many ways to do the ketogenic diet. Do whatever way works best for you. But for me, I have found that TKD works best for me. I get to have my favorite meal of the day. I get to have an extra boost for my workout, and I'm still losing body fat and maintaining as much muscle as possible. So there you go. Hope that answered your questions for everyone wondering why the hell am I eating rice. Guess who's back? Just got home from the workout. There's my little Mina. Crazy. She gets so happy when I get home. Did you miss me? Give me a kiss. Okay, you put my necklace in my shirt. Thank you. Give me a kiss. Oh, I said kiss. Mwah. Okay, ready to eat. It's time for our post-workout meal. You ready to eat? All right, let's eat. Okay, everybody, so post-workout meal right here, we have 140 grams of white rice. Then we have 6 ounces of 97.3 ground beef with some sweet poppy and some sriracha maple vinaigrette. Let's go, post-workout meal. And can you hear Camila saying, na 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 boo boo? She's wild. All right, guys, post-workout meal going in. We'll see you on the last and final meal. Okay, guys, last and final meal is gonna call for some steak and eggs. We're gonna go ahead and cook the steaks first. So I went ahead and put some pepper on them. And now the best part, the Redmond's real salt. But when you put salt on your steak, you need to do it like that. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, do I look like salt, baby?
Really?
I look like I'm just making a mess, right? Okay, I'm probably just making a mess.
Looks like you're gonna clean that mess.
I am gonna clean this. And then we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil around the pan. Oh yeah. All right, sweet. So, just like so, we're gonna slap these steaks on here. Woo! Woo! It's a little too hot, that's all right. Okay, I know what you all wanna know. Did Goody Beats burn another steak? I don't know, I'll let you be the judge. What do you think? What do you think? It's a little red. It's, you know, I mean, I know a lot of you freaking vampires love it bloody, but you know what? I think it's pretty red. I don't think it's burned. I think I did a pretty good job, but let me know in the comments below. I know you always tear me up. Y'all always tear me to pieces about my steak, but I think I did pretty damn good there. All right, everyone, so this is the last and final meal right here, and by far, this is the most anabolic meal. Please, name me a more anabolic meal than steak and eggs. I don't think it gets more anabolic than that. Greg Doucette and Remington James, don't come at me, bro. Anyways, gonna eat this up, scarf this down, and then we will catch up with you for the last and final clip because I think I want to talk to you about something. I think I do. I don't know what I want to talk about, but I know I want to talk to you about something. Oh yeah, I remember. Okay, yeah, scarf this food down, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Okay, everyone, so we're gonna wrap up this video like this. Total macros for the day, boom, right there. And what I wanted to talk to you about was for everybody who wants to participate in the Keto Cut with me, sign up at goodybeatsofficial.com. Diet plans, workout plans for at home or at the gym, grocery and shopping list, everything you need to know about the ketogenic diet, intermittent fasting. So much is there for you to take advantage of the Keto Cut, do it alongside with me. And we were doing private Zoom calls, but I found that a lot of people have trouble doing these Zoom calls. You gotta get the password in. It's just a pain in the butt, right? And I wanna make this as available to you as possible. So I wanna do this as a community. I'm gonna go live on YouTube every Monday night from 7 to 7:30 and just share my experience from the previous week. So this Monday coming up will be the beginning of week 3. So we will recap week 2, my ups and downs, which I did have some downs, but it's all good. And then I want to also talk to you guys. I want you to ask questions. I want to answer them. I want you to be as involved as much as possible. Because like I said, this Keto Cut 2021, I want it to be a community thing. I've always done the Keto Cut by myself, but I want you to do it alongside with me. I want us to do this together, and I want to answer your questions. I want to hear your feedback. I want to know what you're going through, your ups, your downs. What are you struggling with? Maybe you're not struggling. I want to hear your successful stories. I want this to be a community thing. So every Monday night, 7 o'clock to 7:30 Central Standard Time, YouTube Live. I'll answer your questions. It'll be a fun engagement, fun thing. But please also sign up at goodybeatsofficial.com so you can get a head start. Has everything you need. As always, guys, I absolutely love you. We'll see you on the next video, or I'll see you Monday at 7 o'clock. Peace.